Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing AABB, ABML, APTY, DMAN, DPLS, GMER, LWLG, MJWL, MWWC, NLST, PBYA, and RSHN. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and a little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like LWLG at $2.55, ENZC at 0.014, MJWL at 0.014, and ALPP at 7.5 cents. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'd be 1 plus your area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. And text messages is the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times we will do a text-only alert if something hot comes across our desk and we want to get it out to our subscribers right away. With that being said, let's dive in here, folks. AABB is one that we've covered quite a bit on the site. Any of the stocks mentioned today, they're either on the homepage or you can go over to the little magnifying glass and just simply enter the symbol and you get an idea of the amount of coverage and what we've talked about. So there's been 4 articles on AABB. This one pulled back right to the 200-day moving average of 10 cents. It's bounced off there, making a little run here. Guys, if you've been following my channel, you know I'm a big fan of moving averages, particularly the 200 is the most important, but I also look at the 50 and the 20-day. So this one here looks to be setting up for a breakout. We'll be doing an update on the site on AABB this week. ABML is another one that pulled back right to the 200-day of $1.48. It's making a nice run up here. This has been another favorite of ours here. We even have it. It's not usually we've had it on past winners. We only have room for 4. Been updating this with MJWL, LWLG, which has just been 2 incredible winners for our subscribers recently. APTY pulled right back to the 20-day of just under 0.014, bounced off there. This one we've been talking about this one as well quite a bit. Go over here, APTY. Yeah, 4 OTC stocks with growth potential. APTY was one of those that we talked about last month. DMAN, this one here is hovering up near the highs. It needs to break out. If not, it's going to pull back. This is one that we covered a while back. So up here, I'd be looking to book some profits because if it can't break out here, it's going to go lower. So the expression that we use is what can't go higher must go lower, or what can't go lower must go higher. So my colleague Mike Long talked about this one back on June 7th when it was just a penny. So this has been a nice winner. What else we got here going on, guys? DPLS, new highs. This has just been an incredible runner. My colleague Jim Bloom talked about this one over the weekend for hot OTC stocks with massive growth potential. They are DPLS, MWWC, PBYA, and RSHN. And DPLS, we told our subscribers about DPLS back on June 16th when the stock had dipped to just 0.04. Guys, we really try to get find the moment. We talk about finding the momentum before it happens. Sometimes you don't get in early. You can get in early on some you can't. We're not going to catch all the runners, but DPLS was one that started running, and then we caught the dip. So these are we're very conscious that if you can't get in early, wait for the dip on a lot of these hot runners, and then you catch the next leg up. So that's what we did here. We missed this move from 2 cents to 6 cents, and then it spiked here to almost 10 cents, but pulled back to 4 cents, and then it continued its trend up. So it's now at just under 18 cents. So again, I really preach, finding, either finding the momentum before it happens, meaning getting in early on next hot runners, or if it's a new runner, wait and buy dips, sell rips, swing trade these ideas, and always book profits. Don't get caught up into the diamond hands, paper hands BS. Anyone that's followed this channel knows I'm not into that game. I mean, these are penny stocks. They're highly volatile. You got to book profits. So please, guys, book profits. Always take some money off the table and protect your gains. GMER, new highs. This has just been an incredible runner for subscribers. We talked about this one end of May. GMER, OTC stocks on the move. GMER, end of May. And where did this one close? May 28th. It opened at opened at 5 cents, was low as 4. Just above 4 cents, and this one ran to 60 cents. So this is a 12 bagger in just over a month. So guys, there's still plenty of opportunities on the OTC. This is why we really preach, have a diversified portfolio. For some, that's owning 10 to 20 or more OTC stocks. Invest like a venture capitalist. If you got 10 grand, spread it around. Put in $250, $500 as your starting position into to these types of plays. All it takes is one or two to run like GMER, and you've crushed it. So $1,000 in GMER at 5 cents, that's 10 grand right now. I really don't want you to be taking 10 grand and just throwing it into one or two names, because you could lose it all. So, think about it. If you had 10 grand, you invested in 10 stocks, 9 of them were losers, but you caught the GMER, that more than makes up for your losers, and you didn't lose everything on the others. So you're still ahead of the game. So, you can be patient on the others and let them work out. So, this is the name of the game. Be diversified. Don't get greedy, and always take money off the table, guys. LWLG, what a runner. Our subscribers are in around 255. This one ran to just over $17, pulled back right to the 20-day of $9, and we got another move up here to 12. So closed at 11, but it ran to 12 on Friday. So again, this was a classic example. If you didn't catch the move, buying dips and selling rips. So you caught this move, ran up here, pulled back down here, started running again, ran here, pulled back, and it's running again. So it's just buy dips, sell rips. That I can't preach that enough, guys. Keep doing that, and you will succeed when it comes to trading OTC stocks. MJWL, this has been one we've been all over. Big fan of MJWL. Our subscribers got in just over a penny. We said back in May, MJWL stock set to be the next big crypto runner. You go back here to May and look at that. This is where it started, and boom. So, it's all date and time stamped on insiderfinancial.com. So, go and check out our coverage, and, you can see it all there in black and white for yourself. What else we got here? MWWC, new coverage out over the yesterday. Go and check out what Jim has to say about this one. Big following on social media. There's been some back and forth going on between some guys and George Sharp. George is on his soapbox preaching, so take it with a grain of salt. Not everyone's going to be right. I'm not going to always be right. George is sometimes right. George is sometimes wrong. Same with me. I'm going to be sometimes right. I'm going to be sometimes wrong. And, the difference between me and George is I'll admit when I'm wrong. He doesn't like to do that. If you follow his Twitter, he's never, ever wrong. And, even Warren Buffett is wrong. So, definitely, keep that in mind, folks. What else we got going on here? NLST, another one, new highs. This has been a favorite of ours. We've talked about this one quite a bit on the site. When was the last article? 4 hot OTC stocks gaining momentum. Talked about this one July 1st. So been covering NLST a lot, and we really like this one. And the case in point is it's proving with making new highs on Fridays. So congrats to all that are in NLST. PBYA is another one we've covered on the site. Got an update in the article by Jim Bloom. PBYA and RSHN, two updates over the weekend. So RSHN was a big runner for us last month. Price collapsed, but it has bounced off the 0.004 level and making another climb. So like the bounce action in this one. With that being said, guys, last week we was an okay OTC market. We've seen here some new highs, but no big runners, but nice and steady climbers. We had one alert last week. Be following up on that this week. We got 1 or 2 alerts coming this week. I've been doing a lot of work this weekend, trying to find what we think is going to be the next big runners. I'm looking for something. Right now with the screen that I'm running is under a penny. So I think that's where that is where the most bang for the buck is. When it comes to trading OTC stocks, you really want to get those under the penny plays. Those double zeros, those triple zeros, those can really be home runs. So that's the screen I'm working on this weekend. So make sure you go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This way you get the alert on these new double zero plays that I'm looking at. So sign up with your email and your mobile number, and the best part, it is free. I want to wish everyone a wonderful weekend and a profitable trading week, and I'll be coming live to you soon with a new video shortly. Thank you, take care, and have a great and safe weekend. Bye-bye.